Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about virtual organizations and what are those virtual organizations and how do they function. So basically, this type of organizations have been in practice or have been in trend in the recent years when internet developed very fast. So these organizations like Airbnb, Ola, Uber are all examples of virtual organizations. So let us first understand how do they operate and how do they operate. So basically when virtual organizations do not have a physical space, so it everything is connected into a type of contracts. So like for example, Airbnb does not own a single hotel, but it is the largest hotel booking website in the entire world. Why? Because it has a connection of different hotels or different hotel owners. So all of these are nothing but virtual organizations like Ola, Uber. Even they don't ever own a single car. So all of this is virtual organizations where they contract it to the outsource or the other parties or the third parties which provide the services, and in turn they are just a connecting link between all of these customers. So in accounting or in finance we need to study how this type of organizations work, because they have a lot of benefits but they have a lot of cons as well. Like for example, they don't need a lot of physical space, so the renting cost and everything is reduced, and they don't need a very high capital to start because everything is just an interconnection. And also they need a lot of technology to connect all the suppliers, all the customers and everything together. So this is nothing but the advantages that this virtual organizations have, but they also have some disadvantages. Like there are all of the employees are majorly working from home, so keeping a track on their output is difficult, and connecting or linking everything to technology is also difficult because they need a lot of systems for that. So this is nothing but how they operate and how are the different things connected to one another. So for example, Ola, so Ola has a lot of drivers in their connection which they have integrated in the app, and anytime a customer books a app, it goes directly to the driver. So what the work of Ola is here to become a connection between those two. So this is how they operate, and these virtual organizations have been successful since the recent years in India, because in 2016, because of the Geo revolution or the internet revolution that happened because of Geo. So all of these have been successful because of this internet that is available very cheap in India. And looking at the future, I we think that these organizations will prosper more because everything is going online nowadays. Thank you so much.